And welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. Okay, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is trading at a level of $2.5185 and there is a continuous downfall as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, and this downfall is after $3.679. Okay, this is the high, and understand that this level is also being tested 2-3 times, so chances will be high if the price come again close to this level, a further upside movement we can see. The second high we have seen is at a level of $3.5, and chances are very high that if the price started sustaining above a level of $3, a further upside movement we can see, and then there is a higher chances of touching this particular level, and as soon as it touches this particular level we can see it will going to cross a level of $3.6 and a further upside movement we can see. Okay, first thing is that. Second thing is that I have already repeating you and telling you that this is the zone where the price of natural gas was moving for quite some time, a zone of $3 and $2. Okay, now the first and important thing that you have to note is that there is a big pattern forming. Okay, the opposite U pattern is forming here, and I have already told you that if the price started falling below a level of 2.5, then chances are very high it will go further fall, because there is a clear pattern forming. First thing. Second thing, again you have to understand that there is a pattern forming if the price started going above a level of $2.785. Okay, because there is again a pattern is forming, and once started going above a level of $3, a further upside movement we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move on Monday, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. See, it is a 15 minutes chart where you will understand how the natural gas price is moving in a day. See, it is mostly moving in not a good volatility. See, 2.5 and a low of around 2.469. This is the only thing period where we have seen it was good volatility. Otherwise it was not that volatile compared to what we have seen. Let's go beyond this. This is a 6 December chart. If you go beyond this level, we have seen only one or two moments where the price of natural gas has made a high and shown a good volatility. That is the period where we could have made a good profit. And see, this gap, as I've already told you that this gap can be filled. This is the level where I've given a buy position. Okay, see, a sharp fall we have seen in the natural gas prices. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart, what we can see looking at this particular chart for the next 2 days, and that's on Monday. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, and chances are very high yes it will not sustain, what we can see, it will go towards a level of $2.5053. Okay, and if the price started falling below that particular level, chances of touching a level of $2.4646. Okay, now once the price started falling to $2.464, chances are very high it will go further low, because there is a higher chance of going further down. We can see a level of $2.4252. Okay, and once the price started moving below this particular level, chances of touching a level of 2.3707 we can see. Okay, and once the price started falling below 2.3707, chances of going towards a level of 2.2482 is there. Okay, and if the price started moving below this particular level, chances of touching a level of $2.1669 is there. Okay, and once started moving below this particular level, we can see it will go further down. Yes, as our probability is higher, we can see a level of around $2.0947, and yes it will move further down, and yes a probability of going towards $1.9691. This is the level we can see if the price started moving below a level of $2.28. Okay, and once started moving below 1.9, a chances of further fall we can see towards a level of $1.8940. Okay, and if it started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, now understand something. Market is uncertain. Okay, I have given you though if the price started falling below this level, and chances are high that yes it will fall. And understand, if the event is coming, probability can be high. See, if you are not taking bigger risk, okay, so what you can do, you can avoid 1 hour before trading and 1 hour after trading of any event is coming. Okay, otherwise you trade in normal trading days. But if you want to trade in that particular movement, the event is coming, always try to reduce your quantity to 1/4 or half. Increase your SL and target by twice so that your SL should not hit, rather your target should hit. This should be your strategy. This is all what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work on the timing. Suppose if it form a swing, okay, and if it sustain this level, because market is uncertain, you have to understand that. Okay, then probability of crossing a level of $2.592 is there, which level is also being tested here. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards a level of $2.7723, which is also being tested here. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards $2.982. Okay, and this level is also being tested here. So chances are high it will cross a level of around $3. Okay, $3.0796. Okay, see, if the price started moving above a level of $2.5, chances of touching a level $2.592, chances of touching 2.7223 is there, and from there a level of 2.982. If the price started moving above that level, we can see a level of $3.079. Okay, and if started moving above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 3.3419 is there. Okay, and once the price started touching that particular level, chances of going towards 3.5741 is there, which is also being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross a level of around $3.6693, which is also being tested here. So it will cross that level, and yes, a probability of touching a level of 3.9642 is there. Okay, and as soon as started going up to that level, this gap can be filled. Okay, so you can check this if the price started moving on this level, or I'll make another video explaining you it can go. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.